Well, howdy hi crafty crew, this is Deba with Creative 5-Minute Crafts. Today, we're using alcohol ink to create a beautiful color wash. The front of the card is covered in these beautiful miniature butterflies. The back of the card is plain. We are going to be using alcohol ink on this particular cardstock to give it a wash of color. We want the butterflies to shine through. So what we're doing today is just creating the background. And again, we'll start by protecting our surface. And we're going to spray our isopropyl alcohol on the section of the card where we would like to apply our alcohol ink. In this technique, I'm also using a drinking straw, which I've done in previous videos, and this helps to direct the ink in the direction that you would like for it to go. Of course, if you have a blow dryer or some sort of a heat tool that blows warm air, you can certainly use that as well. I just feel like for the beginner, it's best to just grab what you already have on hand. So we are moving ink in the direction that we would like for it to flow, just to give it a wash of color. And there we have it, a beautiful sheer color wash over a very unique printed non-porous card. And you will see this card again in an upcoming video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please look down below this video and hit the subscribe button. When that video is uploaded, you will be one of the first to know. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.